magaca hore,
First name.
First name.
magaca qoyska,
Family name.
Family name.
taariikhda dhalashada,
Date of birth.
Date of birth.
goobta dhalashada,
Place of birth.
Place of birth. Place of birth.
jinsiyadda,
Nationality.
Nationality. Nationality.
xaaladda guurka,
Marital status.
Marital status.
meesha degganaanta,
Place of residence.
Place of residence.
ciwaanka,
Address.
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 kaadhka boostada,
Postal code.
Postal code.
Postal code.
nambarka telefoonka,
Phone number.
Phone number.
Phone number.
ciwaanka iimaylka,
Email address.
Email address.
Email address.
meesha shaqada,
Workplace.
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 heerka waxbarashada,
Educational qualification.
Educational qualification.
afka hooyo,
Mother tongue.
Mother tongue.
heerka luuqadda,
Language level.
Language level.
Language level.
mushaharka,
Salary.
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 nambarka aqoonsiga,
ID number.
ID number.
ID number.
jinsiga,
Gender.
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 nambarka baasaboorka,
Passport number.
Passport number.
Passport number.
Passport number.
taariikhda bixinta,
Date of issue.
taariikhda dhicitaanka,
Expiry date.
Expiry date.
ruqsada darawalnimada,
Driving license.
xiriirka degdega ah,
Emergency contact.
Emergency contact.
ruqsada shaqada,
Work permit.
Work permit.
ogolaanshaha deganaanshaha,
Residence permit.
Residence permit.
nambarka cashuurta,
Tax number.
Tax number.
caymiska caafimaadka,
Health insurance.
Health insurance.
Health insurance.
goobta waxbarashada,
Place of study.
Place of study. Place of study.
diinta.
Religion.
Religion.
ugu dambayn laygta iyo falowdu iyo weliba sheertu waa dhankiina haddii aad rabtid in lagu bilaabo luqadda Englishka waxay noo bilaabmay fasal cusub waxaad nagala soo xiriiri kartaa WhatsApp nambarka yaala baayoga TikTok sina shargareey 10 mahadsanid